Well, hello, good morning.
Hello. Good morning. How are
How?
you?
Yeah, I'm pretty well, ma'am. How about you?
I'm also doing great. Your practice is
Oh,
going well. I'm watching your videos.
okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, your name is Pooja Saxena. You are in this name, under this
Yes,
name.
yes.
I was not aware you are.
Okay.
Yeah, I also watch your videos sometime.
Yes, yes. Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Okay, please, ma'am, introduce yourself. First of all, I want to know about you more.
Okay. So my name is Pooja Saxena and I hail from Lucknow, the capital city of Uttar Pradesh. And as per my academic credentials, so I have completed masters in economics and B.Ed. And
Okay.
I am blessed with two kids. And these days I'm learning English. So in order to enhance my spoken skills, I have created a channel. The name is Flourish with Pooja, in which I am uploading my conversational videos. So it's all about me.
Oh, okay, that's great. Good to know about you, ma'am. Should I introduce myself?
Yes, yes, I also want to know something about you.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. As you know, my name is Susmita Kaushik. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I belong to Assam. About my qualification, I'm doing master degree in education subject, and I'm married person, mother of one person. I'm also running YouTube channel. Name is Global English Quest. About my hobbies, I like cooking, reading, and playing badminton. That's all about me.
That's nice.
Thank
Good
you.
to know about you.
Thank you so much. Okay, when did you start your learning journey? English.
It's been 10 months since
It's
I
been
have been working on spoken skills.
okay. Okay, are you doing job somewhere? Because you have qualification, you did master and you did B.Ed also. Are you teaching somewhere?
No, I'm not teaching anywhere, but I
Okay.
teach my kids only, and I'm homemaker.
Okay, one ma'am, because you have ability to teach somewhere, so you did not think I should teach in a school.
Yes, yes. Some family issues were there. Because of that, I couldn't go outside for doing any work. So yes,
Okay,
I utilized my degrees in teaching my kids.
okay. Are you satisfied? Are
Yeah,
you
yeah, I'm
satisfied?
satisfied because somewhere for as a women, we have to prioritize our family. So that's why.
Yeah, that is the true. We should understand the problems of our family, what's going on. According, then
Yes,
we have
yes,
to get settled.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. How old are your kids?
Now my kids are grown up to some extent,
Okay.
although kids never grow up before their parents. So my elder one is doing BCom honors and it's her third year, and my younger one is in 11th standard now. So that's why I have some leisure time
There's a time.
because
Yes.
they both are able to do all their works by their own. So I
Yes.
thought I should utilize this time in learning this language because I had a passion since my childhood.
That's great. That's great, ma'am. You are following your passion.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So
Okay.
tell me,
Okay.
how long have you been learning this language?
Okay. I have been learning this language, I think, for 7, 8 months. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. What was the reason, ma'am, you start your learning journey just to your passion, or you want to do something, or you want to go abroad? Uh, is
Yeah,
any
if I talk
reason?
about going abroad, so yes, it is in my bucket list to go abroad. So at
Okay.
that time, my knowledge of English will work there.
There,
But as
definitely.
for doing some work, no, I have the passion to learn this language since my childhood. But at that time, there was no environment, so I couldn't speak at that time. But now, all we are having a lot of technical things like my smartphone, and we can access many technology. So that's why I am using these facilities to
activity.
upgrade my skills. Yes,
Yes,
only.
yes. Yeah,
Mhm.
that's very good to know about you because you are like this. You are inspired to many others women who are thinking about I'm running out of my
Yes,
age. You know, the you are
many
the
women
this kind of
think like this. Yes,
yeah, yeah.
but I
They
think that the
motivate
age
some
doesn't matter.
definitely.
Whenever you have time, you can learn anything, not only English, but anything. If you want to do, you can do. Yes,
Yes, that is not only case of English. We can learn anything from
yes,
any age. That is not
yes,
matter.
yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And
Okay,
the
Tam.
one thing is that we should keep ourselves busy all the time. So it is
All the
good for
time.
our not only physical health but also mental health.
Mental
So
health also.
I just
Yes.
keep busy in my YouTube channel, in my learning English. So it
Yes.
makes me happy and satisfied.
Yes. Yeah, definitely. Otherwise, you maybe you are alone at home because your kids
Yes,
are go outside. Your husband also goes
yes,
outside. So maybe you start to think more and more unnecessary things. It
yes,
happens
it happens.
naturally happen with everyone. Unnecessary things we start to think that there
Yes,
is no any kind of use. So
yes,
if you start to do something for yourself, you can engage yourself. Then you can feel happy. Yes, I'm doing something.
yes,
Yeah, I did
yes,
not get chance in my time. So now I'm utilizing my time on my leisure time.
yes,
That is also
yes,
very good
exactly.
thing. Yeah.
Yes,
I saw many girls, women like this. They are learning in their, in this age. Which age are you learning now? So I feel very happy. They are keeping themselves very busy and they are motivated to any other person who are very demotivated nowadays. I lost my time to raising my kids or doing household chores. I did not get time for myself. So whenever I see like this, so I feel very happy. Yes, you are after completing your every task, you are focusing nowadays on yourself. That is
yes,
very good thing.
yes, exactly. Because I consider that we are blessed only one life. So we should
Yes,
make the
we
most
should.
of this life and we should use each and every second of my life in a
Of
positive way.
definitely in positive way. Whatever you want to do, there is no any kind of age limit to do. Definitely,
Yes,
whatever you want to do, you should try.
yes,
At
yes,
least you have to start. Whenever you get time, you should try from that time.
yes, yes, exactly.
Yes. And which kind problems are you facing because you gave lots of time, after qualification, you completed all things. After that, you start again to learning something. So, which kind of problem do you face, ma'am?
By the grace of God, I haven't faced any kind of problem because when I was a student, I was passionate for learning, for studies. I was a good student at that time, in my time. After that, I did B.Ed, and after that, I got married. And when I blessed with a child, so I started teaching to my kids.
Yes.
So in
Okay.
their school days, up to you can say up to eighth standard, I taught them each and every subject. And as you know, these days all the subjects are in English except Hindi. So
Yes. Yes.
I taught them each and every subject. So this way, I didn't get disconnected with the study.
Study.
After
Yeah. Yes.
my studies, only 2 or 3 years later, 2 or 3 years later, I started teaching my kids. So this way, it is a great relation with me and my copies and pens. So
Yes.
that's why I didn't face any kind of issue. And I was teaching to my kids. So this way, my grammar part became well, you can say.
Yeah.
So I
Yes.
didn't do any effort for preparing the grammar part. So this
Yeah.
way,
Because you already prepared for
for
that.
8 months ago, when I start thinking that I should speak in English now, so just I started speaking to my kids. And
Okay.
after that, I saw this platform of YouTube and Skype app. I got to know about it. So I just started doing this. And this, I'm growing and I have improved a lot. If
Yes.
you see my previous videos and till date video, so you will see the note, you will notice the change. So I am
Yes.
satisfied.
Yeah, I have watched your many videos. You are already good speaker. I can't judge you then and now, but at that time also you are a good speaker. I was thinking about to definitely I will try to join you, but fortunately I got chance to connect with you now.
Okay,
Okay.
when the
Okay, you
time
have the
comes, only
environment to
then
speak English.
the things happens.
Sorry, I did not get. Hello.
When the time comes, only then the things happens. So that's why
That's
you
why,
got
yeah.
connected with me today. Yes. What were you
Yes.
asking?
Okay, I was telling you, I think you have an environment to speak in English at home with your kids, with your
Only
family
my
members.
yes. I'm speaking with my kids, and other than that, I don't have any kind of environment. I have
Okay.
created my environment by my own. Just like I started speaking with my kids, each and everything at home. Apart from that, I try to listen more and more English content while doing house chores. In kitchen, I put my phone aside and keep listening and doing my house chores like
Yes.
this I have created. And even I talk with myself even.
Okay.
You like
Which
this.
kind of technique do you follow, ma'am? Like a self-talk, mirror technique, or you record yourself talking?
Self-talk. Self-talk
Oh,
is very effective, I think, in
yes,
my
yes.
view.
You take out some topics, or
Yes, so
how
take
you talk?
any topic, any object in your home, in your surrounding, just like there is a table, there is a dressing table, just explain about it to yourself.
About it.
There is
Oh,
nobody at home. Just speak to yourself. What is the quality, which is the things are kept over this table, and all the things, whatever comes in your mind, just
yeah.
explain. So this
Okay.
is the good way to improve yourself.
Yeah, yes, I do this kind of things also. Mirror
Yes,
technique also very helpful for me,
yes, yes,
and the self
yes,
record also. Yeah, this kind of things.
yes,
We avoid this kind of small things.
yes.
We think like this kind of
All the
things
techniques,
us
all the techniques are helpful, in
helpful.
which
But
you are more comfortable, then you can do.
yes, yes. Whatever suitable for you, you can try this. And
Yes,
if you keep in engage in this language, then definitely from everywhere you can get plus point.
everywhere, without
Yes,
any effort. We can get
effort. Yes,
while traveling, while going anywhere, while sitting anyone's else home, even just keep thinking in your mind whatever things are there about that. So
yes,
nobody knows that what are you doing. You practicing. Nobody knows, but you are doing, isn't
yes.
it?
Yeah. And mostly whenever we alone at home, we can speak very loudly. It will
Yes,
very helpful for pronunciation, everything.
yes,
It will very confidence also will, because if you talk very loudly at home, then it you get a motivate from your inner side. Yes, I
yes,
can do now because I am speaking well. Because you are the first judge of yourself. No one can
exactly.
judge you. You are the first judge. If you are perfect in your eyes, then definitely you can do everything.
Yes, yes. Because
Yeah,
anyone else can judge you wrongly.
wrongly.
In
They
a
try.
pressure, in any pressure, he or she cannot speak the shortcomings of you, but your eyes will judge you perfectly.
Perfectly, yes. What I have to do next?
Yes,
What can I improve myself? Definitely, you can judge yourself, and you can suggest yourself what you
yes,
have to do now.
yes,
And another people, they just criticize us. They just take out our weakness. So sometimes we should follow also this kind of weakness. They follow. They point out our weakness. Then we should try to work on that. But mostly people I heard many times they get
yes,
negative comments on YouTube, so I'm not interested to upload now this
Yes,
video.
yes,
So we should not
yes,
think like this.
yes.
They are,
They try to
they are,
demotivate. They
yeah, they
try to
start.
demotivate. They try to pull your leg so that
Yes,
you stop doing
definitely.
because they are not doing. So they think that you should also not do this thing.
Yeah, that's why we should think first of all. That is the good comment. Yes, what whenever I'm lacking, if they are point out, so definitely we should try on that
Yes,
part,
we
work
should
on
take it
that
positively. Yes,
positively, and
yes,
yeah, we should work on that because if they are point out of our negative thing, then definitely we should work on that.
yes,
If they are point out again and again, then we should try to ignore also,
yes,
because we
yes,
start to take pressure. So
yes,
you have to enjoy this process, not at going as a pressurely. Yeah, I have to do, not like this. You have to go ahead as a enjoyly.
yes, yes, exactly.
Yes.
So, do you have
Okay.
any topic?
I think it's 16, 17 completed. So if you have any topic, then we can join another session. It's our
Okay.
about to completed time, so I
Yes,
think it will
yes,
be video. We can't wind up the session in middle the topic.
yes, 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 exactly. And now
Yeah,
it's late for topic. Yes.
yeah, it's time short for topic. I was
So,
thinking about it. I will discuss about topics. So whenever I see, I feel very excited to, I just try to random conversation with you.
it
Yes,
happens. So,
yes.
tell me, how's your experience on YouTube? How's your experience?
Yeah, experience is very good because when I started my learning journey, that time I was not thinking about it. I will able to upload videos as a conversation
Yes,
videos. I was not thinking I will be able to connect with people like this. So
yes,
after learning this language, I am able to upload as well. And yesterday I got 1K subscriber. That is very big achievement for
yes,
me.
yes. Congratulations. I saw your shorts in which
Yes.
you were showing your gratitude towards your viewers.
Yes, yes. So within 4 months, I got 1K subscriber. That's why I feel very happy. And I
Yes,
was not thinking about that. When I started my YouTube channel, that time I was not thinking about my channel will grow. So that time, just my mind think was, yeah, that's just a purpose of learning this language. But yeah, whenever people give
yes,
response, that time I feel very positive, and it's become our, responsibility also to give them a good content. Maybe
exactly.
they something they can learn from my video. Just I'm trying to to give a good content nowadays.
Yes, yes, exactly. I
Yeah.
also have started this channel only for learning purpose, but yes, when I see the growth of my channel, so definitely it gives me pleasure and
Yes.
motivation. Yes,
Motivation also, yes. Now we are thinking like this, yeah, that is my responsibility now. If I'm learning simultaneously, I should give to any other person as well to something knowledge about whatever I
yes,
have. We should try to give them as well.
yes, yes. Whomsoever is watching my videos, so he should get something at
Something,
least.
at least something they have to get from my video. That's why I'm trying this. So let's see how much I will success.
Yeah, you are doing great. I watch your videos. Each and every video, I I get to learn many things, and I
Oh,
find it very nice.
it's my pleasure, ma'am. Thank you so much. Just I want
You
to,
are
support.
worthy of it. That's why I'm telling.
Yes.
Okay,
Thank you so much for that.
okay. It was nice meeting. Thank you.
Yes, I'm so happy to meet you.
Okay, we will meet again with any topic. Just message me,
Yes, sure.
then we will
Yes,
connect and then we will discuss.
yes,
Okay,
sure. Okay, bye.
okay,
Thank you.
okay.